So one of the most valuable use cases, period, for AI video are ads and commercials for businesses like yours. And Pippit just rolled out their newest model that's dreaming us Seedance 2.0. And this model is really good, absolutely cutting edge for creating commercials and ads. And so you can create premium ads with one prompt and then push them straight to your ad platforms. And so in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to create those kind of premium ads with Dreamin' Us Seedance 2.0. And that in mind, let's jump into the video.
So here we are inside the platform. We have the different tools on the left, as well as some features and community posts. Now you can already start to see the quality of the model here, but I want to jump straight into the first ad that we want to create. And let's say you sell a physical product. If you're doing this for real, you would upload photos of the product for reference. What I just want to show you and illustrate is the general quality of Dreamin' Us Seedance 2.0. So I've described the commercial or the ad that I want here, let's say for Facebook or Instagram or YouTube. But we can get more into kind of the design for the prompt later on. For now, I've pasted this here. And then under this box, let's go ahead and select our Dreamin' Us Seedance 2.0. And then we're gonna keep this on 9:16. We'll go to 1080p full resolution and let's go 5 seconds. And I want you to pay attention to a few things that are critical for ads. Number one, the realism. Number two, lip sync. And then number three, native multimodal audio generation. Let's go ahead and let that run. Okay, and we can see the skills that the agent was using has been loaded. Now it's making the plan, and then it's halfway now through generating the video. And you can see these are very fast generation. Okay, here we can see the ad. Let's turn on sound and give that a watch.
Three drops every morning. That's it.
So we can see a few super important things here, right? Number one is obviously the realism. Like we can zoom in and just see the reflection of the water droplets right there. That's going to be important for ads. What's just as important is the text. So we can see accurate text rendering both on the product, and then also we can see it right here for this text on the screen. So you're 50% off today. And then finally, the accurate lip sync. So we can actually have our model in the video go ahead and accurately speak. That's going to be super important. And if we want any edits to that video, we can go ahead and mention in chat or edit by clicking right here. And this is that UI UX for the more advanced editor within Pippit. I find personally, you can nearly always get any edits you want just by talking to the AI. Okay, now for ad number two, I want to do something similar. We're going to go with another product, in this case, a technology pair of kind of earbuds. And what I want you to pay attention to here is the continuity throughout multiple shots in different environments. That's going to be really important if you want to build a portfolio of ads. So this is what the prompt is going to be: a high energy tech commercial, 10 seconds that I'm describing exactly what I want here. Let's go from 5 seconds to 10. We're going to keep it on 1080, 9:16, and using Dreamin' Us Seedance 2.0. Let's let it run. Okay, here's the result. Let's watch it. So again, here we can see a few important things. Number one, it nailed the continuity. So we have the shot in the park here. If we skip forward for shot three, let me get it there. We can see the same park, the same guy. So it keeps that consistent between shots. We can see the text rendered perfectly again. And then the cherry on top, in my opinion, it's gonna be right, the realism on your product render here. Looks absolutely beautiful. And this is something you could plug and play into an ad platform. And remember, all of this is completely customizable. Now, something we haven't looked at on these prior to is the human side to it. So a human in your ad that may be speaking or responding. So I want to look at that through this ad, where in our third shot, we're going to have a woman who says something. So we're going to need lip sync. We're going to need that native multimodal audio again. And so let's go ahead and let this run. Okay, this looks epic. Let's go ahead and give number three a watch here.
Oh, that's good.
So we can hear the emotion in the voice, the lip sync is accurate, the human is realistic, text rendered perfectly. And again, just look at the realism there. That is what you would get out of a literal studio. And that is why I keep saying you need to be using AI for your ads. So all of those ads were ready for production. You could plug that into your Meta Ad Manager or Google or TikTok, wherever you make your ads. And that is the core of what I wanted to get across in this video, that the barrier to entry to creating awesome ads and testing your ideas is nearly zero because you can do it end-to-end, hyper-realistic with AI. And I want to note a few other features built into the platform. Number one, analytics, and then that ties into the publishing feature. So you can publish these videos across your social media if you want to within the Pippit platform. You can track the analytics here, and then what you can do once the videos are posted is then incorporate them into the ad platforms. You can also upload directly if that is your preference. And that in mind, there you go. That's how to create awesome ads with AI on Pippit.
So there you go. That is Dreaming Us Seedance 2.0 on Pippit. AI video is getting a lot better really fast. And if you run a business that creating ads and content need AI or incorporating AI in some ways into those workflows is one of the lowest hanging fruit things you can do with AI. So I hope you found this useful and give it a go. Again, if you want to do this, you can do that. It doesn't require payment. You just try it out at pippit.ai, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Cheers.